If birds had their own news channel, here's a few things they might report on. I screamed loudly several times, puffed up my feathers, widened my stance, and did 3 rapid perimeter laps across the perch, looking absolutely ferocious. But despite these efforts, the suspect continued past the premises, without hesitation, acknowledgement, or any visible reaction. This is abnormal and very suspicious activity. And in my expert opinion, this is classic predatory behavior. But humans refer to this predatory act as cardio. But I know the truth. It's a code name to hide their devious, territorial stealing, criminal activities.